Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl, and I thought I would pop in one more time. This is going to be a part 2 on my last video I just did about talking about how to make your folders for your planner. I just explained how to do these. Welcome back, everybody. If you haven't seen this first video, I'll link it down below so you can see the folders that I'm talking about. These are the ones that I made, and all I did was I've used a label maker, and I just labeled what I wanted these dividers to be like. So that will help me, and I'll go stick them in my planner very soon. But until then, I thought I'd pop in and make this little video to extra explain. If you have an older planner, maybe that it has one that you're not using, what you can do is just grab some papers, and I've got a kit right here. I will show you. This is the one I've been doing mine out of, is the Illustrated Faith. This collection kit is She Blooms. They have all kinds of paper lines, but this is the one I've been using. You can find it at Hobby Lobby, but I got really lucky. I went to Illustrated Faith and I found a few more for a real low price, because I think over at Hobby Lobby they were running about $9.99, I think is what I paid the first few times I bought it. But Tuesday mornings is where I found this one for a really great deal. Or you can also go online to Illustrated Faith, or at Dayspring you may find these, or possibly at Amazon. So just look around. Okay, this paper line comes with a sheet of stickers. So one sheet of stickers, and I'll just show you briefly of what's in this line. They're double-sided cardstock, so it's beautiful. Here is one with cut-aparts. You can just cut all these up and add them in your planners, however you'd like. So that's the back of that one. And there's a black and white. And these are thick, like I said, like cardstock. Here's some more. These are 3x4 cards for you scrapbookers out there, maybe doing Project Life. That works perfectly for that. Or you can also place those in your traveler notebooks or planners that you may have. Here's the other one on the other side. Take root in the truth. And crosses, and this black and white, and this has She Blooms. So pretty little flowers. And here are some little, looks like little leaves with some flowers on the back side. How pretty. Here's the hearts on one side. Back side is what we have. Some more flowers with black and white. A yellow with white polka dots. Very pretty. It's a cheerful paper line. Really love this one. And she blooms through prayer and love. So pretty. Here's one that's white with black. On the back side, She Blooms. Lots of beautiful flowers. Love, 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 love that one. And here's the last one, which has just the crosses. But as you see, it's not double-sided, because I don't think you'd want to have this showing. So this is a perfect time to do this one. I will show you. If you just take any blank folder that you already have from an old planner, instead of doing it like my last video where I showed you to go back here and mark it. What I've done is I pushed it all the way to the other side, make that tab stick out, cut your paper down and off, straight across, top and the side, and what you will have is just this one side. And what I did is I just taped it down on this back side because I didn't want this side showing either, the partly of the month of February of last year. So I just covered it and punched it just like my last ones in my other video. And it's made another folder for me. So I can use that wherever I want, but I will be relabeling this with another label on top of it as well. But I hate to, you know, just throw that out. It's so beautiful. So use what you have of double-sided paper, or if you don't have double-sided on this, it worked out perfect. So there you go. There's one more little tip on making the folders. Thank you for watching. And anyone here that is new, I want to welcome you, and please subscribe to my channel and look around at the playlist. I have a lot on planners. I do some Bible reviews and I do some scrapbooking. So just look around and enjoy them. And if you do like them, please click that like button. I'd appreciate it so much. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. God bless.